this particular video, and if you have been mining this particular project called Atok. So in this particular video, we'll be discussing about when this particular token will be listed and the price at which it will be listed and some other important information you need to know. So now, right now, if you could check my Atok balance, you could see that my Atok balance is around 9,156. So when we come to this aspect that says manage, if I tap on it, you actually see that my current worth of 9,000 worth 137, which I believe that after listening it will be way much more than this. And if you want to start mining this particular project, I think it's not actually too late. You can still start. So but you won't be able to actually go far, but you need to actually utilize every other aspect of earning, which I've created a lot of video for, which I'll be dropping in the description and also in the comment section of this particular. And also, if you want to join, I'll be dropping my referral link in the description of this particular video, and my WhatsApp community if you want to latest update about anything that has to do with cryptocurrency. So let's go to some other important informations which this particular project has actually been sharing on their X account. So this particular one, I shared it in my previous video about Atok coming to Binance, which is very good win-win for the community. If they're able to come to Binance, that means we'll be expecting a market cap nothing less than over 500,000 market cap if it eventually got to Binance. And if it's actually got to Binance, this will be one of the biggest airdrop in this particular year 2025. So let's go to another important update. You could see now, just 4 days ago, they did a recent burning of over 2 million token, and the burning that they have been doing have actually been skyrocketing the price of Atok. Look at it, say Atok just burned token with a 68 million. They have burned a total of 68 million, which have been removed from the total supply that will be in circulation. So the token price jumped to now. This is the current from this previous price to this previous price, which was cool. And reward has been adjusted. NFT price are also updated with NFT one now costing 6,666.67 Atok token. So the token generational event TGs, it says stay tuned. You see the TG, they say stay tuned. So let's look at what Atok themselves has to say. This was a quote they quoted around 2 days ago. So let me quickly show you, which was, you say Q4 is the time for listening and other activities. Though you could see that means this particular token will still be listed in this particular year. We are currently in the month of October, probably maybe ending of this month. I can actually say, or November or December per se. So we are still expecting to hear a very important information about them. So anytime you go back to their apps, I think they have about 6 or 5 ways by which you can actually mine this particular project. One of it is the aspect of this particular avatar. You answer avatar question. One of it is as you walk, your steps are being counted, which you can claim every I think 8 hours. So you can earn through buying NFT, which will always generate some amount of hectare for you. So we have the one of video has, can watch videos if you have not actually passed the limit. I've watched one for this particular morning now. You could say out of 100,000 people, over 64,000 plus have actually watched. So they always drop 2 videos for us, and we have a lot of games here that you can actually try that. I don't actually play them because it looks like better. Yeah, and you can also head through referral. So these are all the means and a lot. If you want detailed video, they are there in the description, also in the comment section of the video. If you want to join my WhatsApp community, the link will be available in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. Don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so you're going to enter. Thank you and bye bye for now.